Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Allstate Drivewise app. Now, just so you know, Allstate is not something that's inherently available. You will have to apply for it or enroll for it, right? But although you have to enroll for it, it is optional and it can be added at no cost, right? So this is what the website says. Now, the way you can add or enroll into the Drivewise app, first off, you will have to download Allstate Mobile from the Google Play Store, right? And you see here, you do have to download Allstate mobile app to enroll. And then after that, you will have to also get a code as well to enroll as well. But for example, here, let's go to my Allstate mobile app here. Now on the Allstate mobile app, I just have to enter in my username and or password. If you don't have a login credential, you will have to register on the website. You can't register on the app, but after that, you just have to log in into here. Now you just have to follow the steps on screen here to get to the Drivewise section. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.